Welcome to a video showing how I created a long exposure light painting image called Light Odyssey. Most of my light painting photos are created from a single photo. However, occasionally I may merge two photos for technical or practical reasons. In this case, my silhouette would have been erased by the ambient light at the end of the tunnel in a single exposure. The first photo is for the light trails and the second is for the silhouette. The light trails were created using an Ants on a Melon RGB Critter BT and BitWhip using a custom neon fade setting. I created 4 light trails along the tunnel, collecting a few spider webs along the way. A glow-in-the-dark pebble was used as a reference endpoint. I'll note, but as this is a video recreation, there is some added light so you can see what I'm doing. Light paintings are usually performed in darkness. In the second photo, I used a short burst of light from a Nitecore EDC07 flashlight torch to create a silhouette. The photos had level adjustments applied in Lightroom, and then they were merged in Photoshop using both lighten and darken blending options. The resulting image has a futuristic cyberpunk vibe. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and check out my website. Thank you for watching.